Alright, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title, pretty simple video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make easy money with Forex. I'm not sure if this method works with stocks, crypto, or any other, kind of trading method, but this method does work for Forex. I've been using it for my past 7 trades and it's been very well. I've been becoming very profitable lately with this method as well. And it's just a method that I don't see many people talk about online or on social media accounts or anywhere. So I'm gonna get straight onto the video. Also, I did recently make a Twitter account, so if you guys want to join my Twitter account and see what I invest in my watch list and just keep up to date with me, pretty much go follow me on Twitter, which is going to be linked in my bio. It'll be linked somewhere there just under the name Twitter. Go check it out, follow me there. It's private at the moment, so just request and you'll be accepted within a day or two. It's all chill. Anyway, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Let's go. Alright, so here we are on TradingView, AUD to USD. This was my last trade that I made. This was one of my last trades that I made using this method. So pretty much what I did, yeah, you guys see this, my whole layout. Pretty much got the stochastics with the VWAP, we got the actual charts, the candlesticks, and the RSI. Now what's really important is the candlesticks and the stochastics. These two are pretty much what you need for the method, so make sure you got the stochastics. If you guys don't know how to get these indicators, just go over here, indicators, and type in STOCH, and then first one right there, stochastic, or you can go stochastic, sorry, it's a very tongue twisting word, but stochastic RSI as well is an option, but yeah, I just go stochastic. Anyway, over here you can see something that I found before this big dip. All right, not even a dip, it's a downtrend. Now this was a dip right there. So over here, going in a bit, you guys can see, let me just clear it up for you guys. This is my previous trade. Alright, so as you can see, this candlestick right here is higher than this. We're not including the spike, so pretty much grab the line to make it a bit more simpler for you guys. Just gonna go over there and then to there, pretty much. Alright, so we can see that this is higher than that. Now going to the stochastics, grabbing another line, going down, same bar. We can see over here, yep, hold up, there to there. Alright, so this is a very hard thing to do. This is a very hard thing to see, I guess you could say, but this is the glorious side of this method. Alright, it's very hard to identify, but once you actually find stuff like this and you get more used to this method and you start using this method more often, it just easily grabs your eye, it grabs your attention, it's attention grabbing, and you can easily get on trades like this. This is one of my, I guess, main things that I do before I get into a trade. I try to look for stuff like this, and if I find something like this, I get into a trade. So pretty much, if see like this, see how it's curved down and this one's curved up, if it's like that, if it's like this, then the chart's gonna go down. All right, but if it's this way, for example, if it's like, if that was to go up and that was to go down, it would go up. All right, so that's pretty much what it is. All right, if it's like this, it will go down. If it's like this, it will go up. Let me just clear that, and then let me try to find an example of the other one for you guys. Alright, so what you can see here, we found it right there, and the other one right there. Alright, now we can see this is up, this is down, and it starts going up, has a little, I guess, pullback, and then goes up and up and up, and then this is pretty much what you guys pretty much have to take out. Also with this, it doesn't really identify when to take out, but it pretty much just tells you guys when to get into trade. So you can see if you got in there, and most people would probably take out over here because, you know, they would think this is a dip and it's just going to keep going down because of what previously happened. But no, it just went up and then up. It was like a little mini uptrend right there. So for example, more recent times over here, we can go, I guess, this to this, and then same bar, this to this. Now this is a much more clearer one. All right, sometimes you will find stuff like this just really clear. You can see this, as I said before, if it's like this, it means it's gonna go down. So pretty much, as you can see, this happened right here and it's gone down so far, and we are currently in the middle of a downtrend as well. So obviously this isn't the only reason that this is happening, but this is one way to identify a downtrend or an uptrend. As I said before, if something like this, it's a downtrend. If it's something like this, it's going to be an uptrend, not even an uptrend, not even a trend actually. It's just going to be probably a big spike, like a little pump and dump sort of thing. So I just wanted to quickly make this video to inform you guys about pretty much what I do, what I'll look out for before I make my trades. So if you guys, want to, next time you're about to make a trade, look out for stuff like this. Add this indicator to your, I guess, trading, whatever you call it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just want to quickly hop on, make a video about this, my method, what I'll look out for. And as I said at the start of the video, if you guys want to see my trades, my watch list and everything pretty much that I have, and stocks I'm going to be pumping or anything like that, go follow me on Twitter, which also linked in my bio. Go check all that stuff out. And as always, don't forget to leave a like while you're leaving, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. Anyway, take care, love you all, peace.